Welcome back, children. Today we are discussing word problems in this chapter. Okay, this is video number 10. Okay, first word problem. Jatin was on a diet plan. His weight was 122.56 kilogram. He lost 23.79 kilogram. Find his weight after completion of his diet program. So before his diet, he was 123.56. After he took the diet program, he became he lost 23.79 kilogram. So you have to find out the weight after the completion of his diet program. So what operation do we have to do over here, children? First he had 123 and he lost 23. So what do you have to do over here? Yes, we have to subtract. So note down, we can write the statements. First statement, weight of Jatin in the beginning, or you can write before the diet plan, that is equal to 123.56 kilogram. Then weight he lost after taking the diet, that is 23.79 kilogram. So what is the question? Find the weight after completion of it. So weight after the diet program. What do you have to do? We have to subtract, that is 123.56 kilogram minus 23.79 kilogram. So we can just subtract this. 123, you have already learned how to subtract decimal numbers. So 123.56 minus 23.79. Both are in the same units, so you can subtract it. 123.56 minus 23.79. Now 6 minus 9 not possible, you borrow, this becomes 16 minus 9, you get 7 over here. 4 minus 5 again not possible, borrow, 14 minus 7 you get 7. 2 minus 3 not possible, you get 12 minus 3, that is 9. 1 minus 2 not possible, borrow, 11 minus 2 you get 9. So what is the weight that he becomes after his diet program? It is 99.77 kilogram. Okay. Now, second question. Richa wanted to decorate a dress of her daughter with laces. She bought 46.12 centimeter lace for the top and 98.12 centimeter lace for the skirt. How much lace did she buy? How much lace did she buy? What do you have to do here? Yes, we have to add. So write down. So what are the statements? First statement, lace bought for top, that is equal to 98.12 centimeter. Lace bought for skirt, that is equal to, that's a mistake over there, for the top. For the top it is 46.12 centimeter and for skirt it is 98.12 centimeter. Okay. So how much lace did she buy? So total length of lace, she bought. Total length of lace she bought, that is equal to 46.12 centimeter plus 98.12 centimeter. You can do this calculation in your working column. I will show to you over here. 46.12 plus 98.12, you get 4, 2, 14, carry 1, you get 14. So, what is the total lace, length of the lace that she is buying? That is 144.25 centimeter. 144.24 centimeter. Understood? Now, question number 3. 6 kilogram of oranges cost rupees 195. How much will 17 kilogram cost? They given you the cost of 6 kilogram and they are asking you the cost of 17 kilogram. What will you do here, children? We learned like they give you for 1 and ask you for more, you have to multiply, or they give you for 1 and ask you for 1, you have to divide. But here what is the situation? They given you for 6 kilogram and they are asking you for 17 kilogram, right? So, what can we do over here? Can anybody tell the answer? Yes. In these type of questions, what we will do is, first we will find out for 1 kilogram. They given you for 6 kilogram, you have to find out for 1 kilogram. After you get the cost of 1 kilogram, then you can find out the cost of 17 kilograms. Understood? So, this method we call it as a unitary method. That is, first you find out for 1 and then you find out for more. So, here they are given you the cost of 6 kg. So, first we will write the statement, cost of 6 kg of oranges. What is the cost given to you? Rupees 195. So, now we are going to find out the cost of 1 kg. What we have to do? They give you for more and ask you for 1. What we have to do? Yes, we have to divide. So, find out cost of 1 kg of orange. That is equal to rupees 195 divided by 6. So, first we will do that division. $195 divided by 6. Starting with the first digit, 1 is smaller than 6. So, we will take 19. How many times 19 goes in 6? Yes, 3 times. So, write 3 above 9. You get 6 3s are 18. When you minus, you get 1. Bring down 5. Now, how many times 6 goes in 15? Yes, it goes 2 times. So, 6 2s are 12. When you minus, you get 3. Now, what do you have to do further, children? You have learned how to divide until you get the remainder 0, right? We have to follow that method over here. For that, what we have to do? We have to put a decimal point and add zeros, isn't it? Put decimal point, add a 0. You bring down that 0. So, when you put a decimal point over here, straight on top also you have to put the decimal point in the quotient. Okay? After that only you bring down the number. So, you bring down 0. How many times 6 goes in 0? Yes, it goes 5 times. So, 5 6 are 30. When you minus, you get 0. So, what is the cost of 1 kg? Rupees 32.5. This is the cost of 1 kg of orange. Now, what was the question to us? You have to find out the cost of 17 kg of oranges. 17 kg of oranges, that is equal to, what do you have to do, children? You are given the cost of 1, you have to find out the cost of more. What do you have to do? Yes, we have to multiply. So, rupees 32.5 into 17. So, you can remove the decimal and multiply, and finally in the answer you can put the decimal. So, 325 into 17 I am doing. Please do all these calculations in your working column. 7 5s are 35, carry 3, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3, 17, carry 1, 7 3s are 21 plus 1 you get 22, put a 0, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. So, when you add it you get 5, 12, 5, 5. So, you got 5525. In the question you have one decimal place. So, in the answer also there should be one decimal place. So, the decimal point will come before 5. You get 552.5. Okay, so 552.5, that is the cost of 17 kg of oranges. So when you have these type of questions, keep in mind children, you have to find out the cost of one and then you find out the cost of more. This is called the unitary method. Okay. When we send you the notes, we will be sending you more word problems. You have to try it on your own. Okay children, thank you.